Welcome to the VIP experience. I'm your butler for today.
Okay, thanks.
Right this way.
What is this? You want some help? No? What?
So sorry about this. I'm so sorry. Okay, take a seat. Take a seat.
Okay, thanks.
Your tea should just about be ready.
Okay, thanks.
Is that tea ready?
Ready?
Marvelous. Here's your tea. Would you like a blanket? Are you comfortable?
Yeah, no, I'd love a blanket.
And
Thank
sweet or salty?
you. Salty?
Salty?
Salty,
Okay,
yes.
no worries.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Thank you so much.
Would you like me to sit this over here for
Yeah,
you?
yeah, yeah. Oh.
There we go. Now, which pist would you like to go to?
All up here, but do you reckon we can get all the way up there?
With Continental we can.
What? Let's do it.
Ready to go? Let's get
Ready, let's go.
hooked up.
Let's do this. Stop.
Okay.
I got the VIP experience.
Now this one just goes here. And goes here. Now, just hold on.
I'm a bit nervous.
You ready?
No.
Don't be nervous. CIP.
Okay. What are you doing?
How do you rate the VIP experience?
10 out of 10.
Maybe you'd prefer to drive.
Yeah, actually, I want to get in the car. Now we're talking.